Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and something I would consider a total staple in my wardrobe is having an assortment of tank tops. These tank tops I got from Amazon Essentials have been perfect. They're very basic, but they do the job really well. Some things that I like about them are number one, that they don't have a tag. There's no material in the back irritating you or sticking up. It's all screen printed on the back inside of the tank top. I also like how high they come up in the front. This helps a lot when I have something I want to wear them under that's maybe a little bit too low. That gives me peace of mind to know that I'm not like flashing somebody. I got the size small. Now, normally I wear a size medium, but because I am wearing these under a lot of clothes, I didn't want something that would be loose. I wanted it to be tight enough that when I put that extra layer on top, you're not going to see the bulk of having a tank top. And this has worked out really well for me. Even though it's a size small, it's comfortable. These have a lot of stretch in them, and it's not too tight. I got the 2-pack that comes with dark green and navy. I would say the green is kind of a cross between an emerald green and a teal, but more on the teal side. These have held up well to multiple washings, and I consider them must-haves, but that's just my point of view.